In today's video, I will show you how to access age-restricted Discord on iOS. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So the thing is that you cannot do this in the Discord mobile app itself. If you go to privacy and safety, there is no option to allow access to age-restricted servers, but there is a quick and easy workaround for that. So what you want to do is exit the Discord mobile app and open up any web browser you like and then search for Discord. And now you get these search results. So you don't want to click on discord.com instead. Scroll down a little bit and tap on discord.com and then log into your Discord account. After that, tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on the gear icon at the bottom. Once you are on the settings page, tap on privacy and safety, and how you will see an option called allow access to age restricted servers on iOS. After joining on desktop, view your server for people 18 plus on iOS devices. So go ahead and toggle on this switch to access age-restricted Discord servers on your iOS device. So this is the way how you can access age-restricted Discord on iOS. Thanks for watching this video.